Thanks to our leading leader to give us prayer. And this time I would like to introduce our board member, our community representative from each ethnic group. So first I would like to invite the host of this church and also on behalf of the Japanese community, John. Thank you.
I'd like to welcome everybody to the church for the festival today. Hope everybody has a nice time. There will be plenty of performances later this afternoon, so it should be a lot of good things for everybody to enjoy. So everybody have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Next, I would like to invite our Thai community representative, Lee Kim.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Wat Buddha Nasorn, a Thai Buddhist temple just down the street, with not quite as big a building as this, I'd like to welcome you to today's festivities, and I wish you a very nice time, and please enjoy. We'll have food this afternoon, and as we mentioned, also shows. I'd also like to give a short plug for the Thai temple down the street. We will be having a festival at the end of the month, and please come down. There's some brochures and some information on our table outside. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Next one, I would like to invite Filipinos community representative, Bert.
On behalf of the Filipino community, I would like to welcome everyone to this celebration. As in the past 17 years, the performances that we will be watching later are not only great, but it will lead us to understand and appreciate the different Asian cultures. As you may know, there are many racial turmoil happening around the world. Today, we're here to show that in this part of Bay Area, the many different ethnicities of peoples around us know how to coexist in peace and harmony. As we say in Filipino, mabuhay, and enjoy the festival. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite community representative from Taiwanese community, Emily.
Good morning, everybody. It was a pleasure and delightful to join this event this morning. And I can see John worked very hard to all this event and planning. And I'm very happy to presenting from Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. And this is our 15th term. John is the first president of our Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. And I'm very happy to, a congratulations for her for his 17th of this festival. Thank you very much. Enjoy the program.
Thank you. Next, I would like to introduce our board member, also the community leader from Waikiki. It's represented in the Newark area. We'd like to have the Terry.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Ohayou.
Thank you all for coming. I want to thank the temple for having us back. Not only Asian American Heritage Community, but this is coming home for Wataiko because we started playing drums in this temple. And then we joined with the Newark School District, and there we teach taiko. I hope you enjoy the entire program today. There's many groups who have worked hard, studying and practicing for years, and sometimes they practice almost every day to show you their stuff. Very diverse cultures have come together to make this happen for you. And John, thank you for your time. He is amazing. what he does to put on events like this year after year after year and gets nothing back except a smile. So thank you, John. And thank you all for coming. And please stay for the whole thing. If you get tired, eat, rest, find a different chair, look at it from a different perspective, and stay with us. Thank you.
Thank you, John. I'd like to make an announcement first. I am not elected, nor am I running for office. I am here representing Mayor Green, who I believe is going to be here sometime soon. And on behalf of the city of Union City, this is one of our hallmark events now in its 17th year. Wouldn't be May if it wasn't for the Asian American Heritage Festival. So welcome everyone. It's going to be a day full of wonderful song and dance, and we're all going to enjoy it. Thanks to the hard work of John and all of his board. Thank you folks for making Union City a wonderful place to live, work, and play. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, I will introduce the
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of State Senator Ellen Corbett's office, my name is Miriam Reynosa. I'd like to thank Mr. John Shea for his dedication to the community, and as well as the Asian American Federation of California. It's very important that we do honor and celebrate Asian American Heritage Month. And we thank you all for inviting us to share our unity and diversity and our ethnic cultures with each other. It's very important to do that. So thank you very much. And I've also been asked by Vice Mayor Bob Wachowski and Mayor Wasserman, again, to thank all of you. He had to step out, but he does thank you for coming and supporting the Asian American community, and again, we commend you for all your dedicated service. So thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. And my name is Dean Wong. Is a director of Taipei Economic Cultural Office in San Francisco. This is office that represents the Taiwan government and the people's interest in North California. It is my great honor to be here to join in celebrate the 17th annual Asian American Heritage Festival. And so we're glad to be here. You know, everybody knows all of the cultural heritage are treasures on earth and also unique. We should cherish it. And since we stay here in the United States, the most important thing is we have to share experience with each other and respect cultural difference. Also appreciate what you have. I believe the AFC, the Asian American Federation of California, has provided a very important, a wonderful platform. It helps us to remember our own heritage culture and also enhance the mutual understanding with the different groups. So that's made the city and the community more stronger and more united. So thanks so much. We are glad here. We are glad to be part of the community, part of the event, and part of the city. On behalf of the Taipei Economic Cultural Office, Director General Thomas Chen, we would like to present a proclamation to the AFC and the Chairman Shea for your contribution and effort for this Heritage Festival. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned by John, every year we award the Asian American Federation of California award an Asian American for his or her service to the community. And this year we have a distinguished person to receive the award, and that's Gary T. Gary T is a long-time local resident of Union City, Fremont, and Newark. At every stage of his life, he has participated in a number of public service with a deep sense of community responsibility. He is a community college trustee. He's an Eagle Scout, leader of the Boy Scouts of America, past president of the Citizens for Better Community, past district chair, Boy Scouts of America, past president, South Bay Chinese Club, and Fremont Library Advisory Commission. He's also a colonel of the United States Reserve, and he's an Iraq veteran. He's one of the few individuals across our country that holds a locally elected office and has served with the military and was sent to Iraq. I'm very proud of that one. For the past 22 years, Garrett has served us in a lot of, as mentioned earlier, a lot of community leadership position in public. Currently, Garrett manages the rating and the statistical department in the Workers' Compensation Insurance Rating Bureau. He oversees the professional and technical staff and teaches continuing education seminars to industry professionals with the experience rating system. A dedicated family man, Garrett is married to Maria Garrett Yee for 24 years. He graduated from John F. Kennedy High School in Fremont. He has a BS degree from Santa Clara University, MBA from the Golden Gate State University, and Master's in Strategic Studies from the U.S. Army War College. I just want to mention about Garrett's family also, and I think Garrett will mention that also. His parents are in the audience, and Garrett mentioned that his father was a high school dropout, but went back to school and became California State Teacher of the Year. That's very wonderful information about Garrett's family. And these are the reasons why AFC unanimously chose Garrett as our awardee this year, and also the reason why Asian Americans support him for his quest for the 20th District Assembly. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pride and pleasure to introduce Garrett Yee.